Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your Snapchat account as a public profile for business, so you can build your brand, reach new customers, and start treating your account like a professional marketing tool. Let's dive in. First, open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left. On your profile screen, scroll down until you see My Public Profile. If you don't see it, check that your account is eligible. You need to be 18 plus, have a clear account without guideline strikes, and be on the latest app version. Next, tap Create Public Profile. Snapchat will walk you through setting up your business-facing identity. Pick a public name, ideally your business or brand name. Upload a professional profile picture. Think logo or stylized brand image. Choose a background banner image that shows your brand vibe. And write a short bio describing what your business does and why people should follow you. Once your public profile is activated, switch your story and content settings. When posting, select the visibility as public instead of friends. This way, anyone on Snapchat, not just your friends, can view your business stories, engagements, highlights, and branded content. Go to the story screen, hit the visibility gear icon, select public, and then choose your public profile as the destination. You'll also want to enable highlights in your public profile so you can curate evergreen content like FAQs, product demos, or customer testimonials. This gives you a mini business portfolio on Snapchat. Additionally, dive into Settings Who Can and set Contact Me to everyone or friends of friends, depending on your comfort level, so potential customers can reach you. Make sure View My Story is set to Public Profile so your business stories appear under your public section. It's smart to disable Allow Replay for sensitive business messages and avoid linking third-party sharing tools that violate Snapchat's terms. You want your business stack solid and compliant. Finally, consistency is key. Commit to posting branded snaps or reels at least once a day. Use geo-filters or AR lenses that align with your brand, and include a clear call to action, like swipe up to learn more, or tap the link in bio. Use your public profile analytics under Insights in the dashboard to track what content drives engagement and adjust accordingly. If this walkthrough helped you build your business-ready Snapchat profile, hit that like button, subscribe for more social media growth strategies, and drop a comment with your brand handle so I can check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.